In this video, let us see how to make tender mango pickle and store it for a year. This is my grandmother's 100 to 150-year-old recipe. This pickle is 100% oil-free yet can be stored for a year without any refrigerator. Hello friends, welcome to Tiffin Room. If you like today's recipe, please like, share and subscribe. Now let's begin the recipe. I have taken 1.5 kg or about 85 tender mangoes. Keep a centimeter of stem in the mango. If it's already broken, that's alright. This will help the mango retain its sap. Take a glass or ceramic bowl, add 2 tablespoons crystal salt. There is one important tip to remember when making this pickle. From start till you bottle it up, do not add any water, not wet hands. Add little mangoes. I have taken 1 cup crystal salt and let us layer it with mangoes. If you buy tender mangoes from market, wipe each mango with a wet towel followed by a dry towel to clean it. If you pluck these yourselves, you can just wipe it dry. Add some salt at the end and cover it with a plastic or a plantain leaf. Place a weight, cover it and keep it for a week. Every day remove the cover, mix it with totally dry hands and cover it back. On the 5th day, wash 100 grams mustard seeds, spread it on a cloth and sun dry it for 3 days. Also, take 100 gram red chilies, remove the stem, wash and spread it on a cloth and sun dry it for 3 days. Let this dry every day under the sun. On the day before, need to make the salt water so that it can cool down to room temperature the next day. Take 4.5 cups of water, add 1 cup of crystal salt, let the water reduce to 4 cups. Cover it and let it cool down overnight. Now the mangoes have properly shrunk. Sometimes it will take a couple more days. Transfer this to a strainer. Preserve around half cup mango infused salt water for later. This will contain that beautiful mango sap smell. Spread it on a cloth, cover it and let it dry indoor for 2 hours. If you are making this in bulk, let it dry overnight. Take the chilies from the sun, cool it for 15 minutes and powder it. Traditional pestle was used during my granny's days. Also take the mustard seeds of sunlight and powder it. Take 2.5 tablespoons turmeric powder. Mix everything together. At this stage, you can store this in a dry container for a month. You can make this in summer to use it for variety of other pickles during the monsoon. Add half cup of mango infused salt water. Also add 1 cup of fresh salt water. Mix it well. To get a uniform paste, we powdered the ingredients individually before blending all at the end. My granny taught me this trick. Add half cup salt water and blend it to this consistency. We call this paste as horadi in our local language. Transfer the shrunk mangoes from cloth to a mixing bowl. Add 1 cup of the ground paste. Add 1 cup of salt water little by little and mix it. I had to add 2 more tablespoons of the paste to get my desired consistency. Now the pickle is ready to be stored. Let me show the 100-year-old method of storing this pickle for a year without using refrigerator in a ceramic jar. Add a little thick pickle paste to the bottom and smear it. Fill the jar with the pickle. Again add a little thick pickle paste at the top. Place a small clean cotton cloth. Close the lid. and cover it with another piece of cloth. Tie it. You have to use the pickle after at least a month to get the best taste. The ceramic bowl I have used is tiny one. My grandmother still remembers filling 3 feet jar full of pickle and counting at least 30 jars one time. Super tasty tender mango pickle is ready. This is a must-have for curd rice. I hope you guys like the tender mango pickle. For more such recipe, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.